guys, good morning, guys. As you just signed the begin, obviously just speak about breakfast. As you just saw in begin, because boy, was the breakfast good? Yep, indeed. And of course, the hot chocolate, as usual, was actually very awesome too. Yep. This is me first time having hot chocolate in the morning for breakfast. So yeah, pretty much. So of course now that I've reached breakfast, now I'm just going to end up the vlog which is yesterday. So yep, pretty much. So of course, so yep. As you can see, it is really beautiful winter morning out there. As you can see, nothing but blue sky. Yep, kind of sunny weather. Yep. This gonna be the weather plan until at least early next week. So yep, pretty much. Alright guys, so we're getting outdoors now. And of course I figured that I get some more exercise this afternoon. Of course, as you can see, the clouds had started to come in again. Yep. Because otherwise it is a really beauty afternoon. Yep. And of course, like I said yesterday, it don't always have to be sunny to be beauty. Yep, indeed. Yep, but of course, you can actually see some blue sky out there though. So yep, pretty much. So of course, I'm currently bypassing Topsy Pond, which is right to my right, which you can't quite see very well. So yep, so of course right now I'm just heading over to hopefully the service of Valley Road, depending on if the trail over there is the trail to get to Mappa Road is clear, like no big not much of snow covering the trail. But of course, if not, I'll make it up, because if these, I will just turn around and head on back. So yep, pretty much. But of course, before that, I'll be checking on the Duff Memorial Park, which is the nearest park to where I live. So yep, pretty much. Still, a part of Bucket Drive is actually narrow, wicked. Looks like part of Bucket Drive is of course not plowed very well. Yep, look at that, wicked, just wicked. Alright guys, so I am just riding here to the Duff Park area here in Paradise, and I'm gonna see if it's open or not. Because if this, I'll be show you guys in there. Because if not, I'll be at least give you a little peek in there. But the gates are open at least. Yep. So that's some good news. What? Oh, it looks like the park is open now, so yep. So of course, yep. Might as well give you guys a tour of the park while I'm here, because you can see that there's literally no one in the park. Just one vehicle way ahead of the other of the entries. Yep. So yep. Yeah, at least it's open today. So yep, that's good news. Everybody said that, right? The bar is here. It's bar. Anyhow, this is the soccer field over here. Here's the basketball court over here, and what else is here? The skate park. And this is what's called the softball field of the Duff. Yep. Yeah, Beatty went today for a walk though. Beatty there, see. Yep, here's Piccolo there, which I've been to quite a few times before. Yep. He goes here playing around in St. John's. Yeah, holy. Every time I get to this nose, it's a bit slippery. Yep. Oh yeah, pretty much. Hello.
How are you?
Let's come.
You going sliding?
Nope.
You taking pictures?
Yes.
Video?
Yes.
Lots of snow?
Yes. Yeah, this is the softball field over there. And way up there, as you can see, this is the statue over there, which I've been to quite a few times before. I'll show you guys on the vlog a few years ago. Because here's the new lights that the guys put over here. Let's put these over here last summer. Yep, indeed. Since the first back up now, so I might as well wait here. Turn it back up at least. Alright, here's Bruno there. Hey guys, now I'm not quite gonna make it out to the subdivision off of Fowler's Road. Because as you can see, there's a whole pile of there's a whole wall of snow blocking off the trail. So yeah, up there, this is the trail over there. It looks like people have been walking on it already. Even though it actually seems impossible to at least go through there. Because yeah, because I'm gonna wait in a few months till at least the snow melts on this trail. Yep, pretty much. So of course, yep. Because as you can see, I am at the end of Touch Park Road here in Paradise. Yep. Lots of nice houses over here though. Check it out. Yep. This house over there, those are on Round Park Road. Yep. And of course, you can actually see some houses put up in Paradise over here. So, yep. Of course, when I was just in the home and I see the other reaction, pretty much something compared to the old kink at back of the house. So yep, pretty much. Hey guys, so I'm now cleaning on the barn. Touch forward, still here at home, and I just figured I'd show you guys some watching about living here in the Touch Park area. So yep, because over there you can see the Silver Drive area. Yep. What view we got over there? The way to hit where on the snow is over there. It's the spot that I sometimes go to look at the view of Paradise and pretty much consistent being. Yep. You got to see some houses on Touch Park, Silver Drive also. Yep. Anyways, that's the best part about the walk home. She got a view of both terrace, by the Stratton Boulevard, such in Dr. Lucas Drive. Still we can do, yeah? Yep, look at that. Pretty much. What a view you got indeed. Yep. Well, boys, well, look at the few you got parked over here up on 3 Other Park Road. I guess you saw the snow is not clear on the parking lot over there. I just to park, park along the side of the road instead of in the parking lot fishing for the pond. Wow, what a crowd! Wicked, boys, so wicked. Wow. This is my vehicles over here in East Policies. That's so fall. Wicked. Yep. Wicked. Looks like there's voice screwed about touchpad though. Yep. Wicked. You can see you got a whole bunch of details trying to go over there. Yep. Yeah, this is the view from touchpad, everybody. Here on home now. Yep. Check it out. This touchpad shouldn't be awesome, guys. Yep. Touchpad is all snowed in, as you can see. Yep. Look at that. Still, what kind of vehicles you got over there, though, guys? Wow. Wait, guys. Now that the sun has set, it's just starting to get dark out there. So yep, pretty much because it's just more cloudier now than it was earlier. So yep, pretty much. So it's because this could be the weather tour, I think. And of course, as you see, this is a peak of the path that we made to the old thing earlier this afternoon. So yep, so of course it is actually time now to close the blinds. Even though it's not dark yet, it'll actually soon be dark. Whereas my phone had slipped out of my hands, which maybe paused the video. So yep, gotta close it good enough so I can pretty much not see through there. Yep. Also gotta close this one too. Yep. Still one whole pile of snow out there though. Look at that and just saw about Facebook that we got 55 days left to spring. Daily buys, can't wait. Quick follow this stone melt. Wicked, look at that. Yep. Close these. Gotta go to the other end now and close this area. Oh my god. Climb up here and close it too. So yep. So of course earlier while I was on my computer, I was actually looking up I was up on Google Maps screen and yeah, pretty much checked out the parks here in both St. John's and the Colebrook. Like I looked at Market Boulevard Park again in Colebrook. And I also looked at Bound Park, which is the park in St. John's, which is the capital of largest city here in our Newfoundland. In case you never knew. So yep, pretty much so of course Because now that I looked at the Battle Pack on the map, you know what I was thinking about? That's right. Maybe someday during the summer, I can I will hopefully ride my bike over there from my other house. Yep, pretty much. And then I see you probably always take about an hour or so to get there and plus spend a bit of time over there and then pretty much and I'm back home. Of course, I'm thinking of yep. What I'm thinking is I'll pretty much wake up at a decent time. We should be a bit early, like playing around 8:30, 9 o'clock, and then I'll pretty much get ready, and then I'll go on from there. It won't take me long to get ready anyway. So then I'll pretty much when it goes on, I'll go on the way that I usually goes to over to Mount Pearl on my bike, but of course this time I'm going further into St. John's in the Bound Park. So yep, pretty much. So yep. So of course then of course once it gets there, I'm planning on looking around Bound Park and maybe and then probably after looking around there a bit, I'll pretty much I might really book back along with me too, so I can store some of my stuff in there, like if it's nice and warm during the summer or hot, I say that I'll probably like suntan over there, like I'll find an open field somewhere in the park. I think there was one according to when I was last there, which was back about 6 years ago now, I think it was 2014. So yeah, that was 6 years ago. So yep. And then of course I was going back from there, and then while there I'll probably have a lunch over there depending on how hungry I am. Yep, indeed. So anyway, so yep. So of course, like I said just then, I think about getting a book bag ready, and I put that on my back. They put a few stuff in it, like a towel and then maybe a speaker device to listen to the music. And I'm also thinking about bringing my camcorder along with me too, like my new 4K camcorder. And then and then with that I will pretty much record some really nice shots of the park with that. Plus maybe I will maybe I'll get some shots on my phone, because I'm not very sure. Because otherwise I will get shots of the park using that, and then of course pretty much yep. So the question what I'll do is I'll probably get my book bag ready the night before I plan on going on there. But of course, yep. But of course, that is actually too far away yet, because it's only January yet. It's already late January now. Wicked. When I'm actually recording this on the 22nd, which is only a few days away from February. Yep. So of course, once February hits, we'll only have 1 month till March and the spring. Wicked. So, cause hopefully the time will go fast. Oh yeah. Hopefully so. The next thing you know, when I'm outdoors, I'll be wearing me a sweater and a cap again. It is still be cold, and gloves and hat. Yep. Right on. So yep. But of course, yep. So of course, it is actually too far away. From now. Yeah, because the summer from now is in about 6 months, which is the start of it on June 21st, which is the longest day of the year. Yep. Like here in the St. John's area, the sun actually sets at at 9:02 p.m. But then we actually get about half hour or so of silver twilight, which is nice. So yep, curious. And then after the first day of summer, the longest day of the year, then the sun sets earlier and earlier every day. So yep, pretty much. So yep, pretty much. Of course, that is some time thinking about see. Yep, indeed. Yep, and pretty much. Yep, so of course, by this is the actual temperature out there now. -9 degrees. Not bad. Yep. Yep, even better than last night when it was -13 degrees. Wicked. Oh yeah, wicked indeed. Yep, so of course I see as now I'll be stuck at home for the rest of the day. So yep, period. And of course tomorrow will be the same. Yep. But of course, yep. Pretty much. Alright guys, it is the end of the day and the end of the vlog now. And of course, it is also the next day right now, and of course, yep. And of course, I just really hope you guys like this vlog, and of course this vlog, which of course is a bit shorter than usual, but of course that is because I don't do much other than that walk and and people shoveling out the air pet to get to the oil thing or heat pump by the house. So yep, pretty much. So yep, because otherwise that was all that we that I did in this vlog, like yesterday. And of course now I'm actually getting to edit this vlog there too, as you said, done filming this clip. So yep, pretty much. So of course, yep. So of course, I will actually start recording tomorrow's vlog. Very soon too. Like at the don't film this clip, I will start tomorrow's vlog from there. So yep, pretty much. So of course you'll have to stay tuned for that. So yep. So of course I'm over and out, guys. Peace, bye, see you later.